Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying physical links and outputs so the display can accept a clean signal. Firmly reseat or swap the HDMI cable. Damaged cables cause artifacts and wrong resolutions. Once done, make sure the TV input matches the device port you used. Then check the source device's resolution settings. Many devices default to safe low-res. Increasing to the panel native resolution reduces scaling and blurring. These actions eliminate most connection and signal mismatch problems before deeper tweaks. Now you dive into settings because the how and why matter. Match native pixels so the TV doesn't scale. On the source, choose the exact resolution and refresh rate the TV supports. This prevents letterboxing or stretched images. On the TV, pick the correct HDMI mode and enable deep color or full chroma when needed to preserve detail. Also disable overscan or set aspect to 1 to avoid cropping. Adjust sharpness very low, too high introduces artifacts, and confirm changes with real content. Finish by isolating and resetting so you can pinpoint lingering issues. Swap ports and cables and try another source. If the problem follows the input, the TV likely needs attention. Soft reset the TV and the device. If resolution still misbehaves, factory reset the TV to clear bad presets. For computers, change GPU scaling and refresh rate in the graphics control panel and update drivers. If nothing works, test with a simple known good device. This single check reveals whether repair or replacement is next.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.